Guys, Lara here, and I just got back from my mPort scan and I'm seeing some really good results. So I'm currently in competition prep for the IFBB show in 2 weeks time, and I have lost the body fat and really leaned up all over my body. My results from my scan have showed me that. And it is all thanks to, I believe, nutrition. So each day I meal prep every day, Monday to Friday. I have my scales, I weigh out my food. I believe that meal prepping is key in definitely reaching your health and fitness goals. My mPort scans from last time due to this time, it showed that I really leaned up in my midsection, also my upper body, and also my lower body did lean out quite a lot. I really find a good way to stay on track is definitely getting my mPort scans done monthly. So this definitely helps me prep for my competition, and I would recommend it to anyone wanting to stay on track. If you guys want to see results, make sure you get on board and make sure you get your scan done. It really helps you stay on track.